Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. This is final exam assignment. Question number 1. It has two parts. I will show it. So at first I am going to the file and select the new, then OK. Then I am going to select the front plane and go to the sketch and select the center line. It will be automatically normal plane. Then sketch it. It will be 4-inch. Okay, right button is select and select it. Then I am going to the line command. Let's sketch it from here. It will be 0.5 inch. Enter. Go and come to the initial point and curve it. It will be 0.5 inch. Enter. Then straight go and it will be 0.5 inch also. Then go and come to the initial point and curve it. It will be 0.5 inch also. Okay, then right button is select. Then go to the again line command and draw from here. It will be 1.5 inch. Then go and come to the initial point and curve it. It will be 0.2 inch. Okay, then go and come to the initial point, then curve it and adjust to this point. Okay, done. Then go to the smart dimension and determine it. It will be 1.12 inch. Okay, done. Then it will be 0.2 inch. So okay, it will be 0.5 inch. So it's also okay. That one 0.5 inch. So okay, and this portion is also 0.5 inch. Okay, and this portion is 0.5 inch. So 0.5 inch. Okay, done. Then that one is 1.5. Okay, you will save up to this. Then again you will start and close it and go to here, select the Revolve command, click on the center line and select the yes, and 3D option will become. So click here and you will show this. Then go to here and select the normal plane, then save it in a question number 1 part 2 or 3D section. I am going to select the materials. So though this is not included in assignment, it's the extra part, the metal or plastic. I am taking the rubber, so I am taking this portion and change this color. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.